your gloves on. Let's tie-dye today. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Wait, this isn't tall enough. We're gonna make it work. This is just gonna be a fun series. I'm so excited. I am having subscribers comment. Like, I'm interacting with people on the regular. I have some regulars that I adore, and people are asking questions, and people are offering color suggestions, and I am beside myself, just elated. And so I'm going to concentrate on a bunch of those comments, and I'm going to do a series on, you know, subscriber comments, and we're going to address those, and that's going to become content. So today, Bookworms Lair 6757 said, have you done a shirt with a combo of the blue violet and the raspberry? We did I say we like royalty, but I mean me and you. We did a hot water breakout of these colors on individual shirts. And I had made a comment, oh, I want to mix them together to see how they work. Somebody held me to it, so that's what we're going to do today. And I'm so excited. So I've got the blue violet, and I've got the raspberry. These are Dharma Trading Natural Fiber Procyon Fiber Reactive dyes. They have a T next to them, which means they are based in turquoise, which also means there's other consideration when, like, vat dyeing, rinse time, so on and so forth. I'm going to do a whole video on the labels and the meaning of the labels of Dharma Trading for everybody too, for reference. So I'm going to do one shirt in a hot water irrigation, because that's, you know, my favorite of these two colors, in a spiral. I do spirals because that way they're consistent across the board. And then I'm going to do a second shirt where we do them in liquid dye, so we can see the difference between the liquid dye and the hot water irrigation on shirts. So, oh, okay, let's get busy. So for this video, I should probably put gloves on because, you know, I'm getting excited here. Give me a second. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Look, this is ridiculous. Ridiculous. It's like me trying to get leather pants right there. Okay. This label has no asterisk next to the color, which means it's 2 teaspoons per cup. So I'm only going to mix a cup of each color so I don't have any waste. And so for the liquid, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of each color into each squeeze bottle. This is the blue violet. Look at that color. I can never show you that color. I try. Like, I try. So 2 teaspoons of blue violet. That's 1 cup of water, or that will be 1 cup of water. And then, look, can you see this? Can you? Oh my goodness, look at that. I can't explain it, how gorgeous it is. You can see that little sliver right there. Oh. So 2 teaspoons per 1 cup in the raspberry as well. And then we're going to add 1 cup of water and mix well with these. I'm going into a lot of detail this time. Okay, and then we're going to put the lids on. We're going to shake them, shake them, shake them till they're well mixed. So then, the same for the blue violet and the raspberry in my little shaker cups. Since I'm mixing, I normally do 2 teaspoons per bottle when I do one shirt for breakouts, but because we're mixing colors, I'm going to do 1 teaspoon because that's the same equivalent, right? Did I explain myself there? So here's the blue violets in our little container. And then here's the raspberry in our little shaker. Tie-dye is the spice of life. I'm so funny. Haha. Alright, put these up. And then, like always, I got my little shaker of soda ash as well, because we're going to zhuzh it by the time when we get it on there. And I got some other ideas coming too, but for this is what we're doing, okay? Oh, we're going to mix it up. Alright, let's get some shirts. Okay. I've got 2 shirts. Oh! I can't do them together, because when I pour hot water, it's going to... Alright, I'm going to set this one off to the side. We're going to focus on the liquid dye first, because it's easier to move than the hot water. So, I've got my blue violet, my raspberry. We are mixed up. And because I'm doing liquid dye, I will be doing both sides. I am going to match. What's that word? Mirror. I'm going to mirror the pattern on the other side, so I don't have any mixture of colors, because I want that to be a true stripe. So we're just going to mirror. So I'm going to do 4 pie pieces, and there is my first pie piece. And my, oh, look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? The turquoisey robin's egg that's breaking out there. Beautiful. And then I'm going to do some raspberry. I'm overlapping them just a little bit. I like a lot of saturation, so I don't... That's me personally. This is my brand. So there's the raspberry. And then we're going to do another sloppy pie piece, because we just playing today. And there's a blue violet, and then here is the raspberry. So for 2 color, I'm going to show you. This is a large. No, put your glasses on, Tish. Don't be talking out of both sides of your mouth. This is an extra large. Now we're going to flip it over. We're going to mirror the same thing on this side. There's going to be a little bit of overlap, but I did 1 cup. So 2 cups will do an extra large shirt. There's a tip for you guys, depending on your design. But if you're doing a 2 color spiral for an extra large shirt, you're going to need about 2 cups of dye. And we'll double check that we have full saturation. And looks pretty good. Got some white here. See there? We didn't go all the way through. So I'm going to just finish out. So we've got full saturation, stupid bright color. And this shirt is natural fiber. It's cotton. It's been soaked in a soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more, about a month actually, and then spun out in the washing machine until damp. So we prepped this shirt for these colors. I'm going to move this. Hello, beauty. Hello, beauty. That's my size, by the way. We're gonna do the hot water. So this is a large 100% cotton. Say it with me. Soaked in a soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more, and then spun out in the washing machine until damp. That's how we prep this. And then I've got 1 teaspoon, because normally when we do a shirt with the hot water, I do 2 teaspoons and I do 1 color. So I'm going to try and sprinkle on 4 pie pieces with 1 teaspoon. That's what we're going to try. So I've got the blue and the violet. I've got my zhuzhi powder. I'm going to put my mask on because we're throwing powder around. And I'm on the small side. And so I'm going to try just to very sloppily tap me out a couple of triangles. And it's hot water irrigation in my style, which means that I only do one side. Because I'm just trying to stay consistent with my style and how I do throughout videos when we're doing these color breakouts and these color things, so I'm not changing it up to where I confuse anybody. Man, that was pushing it. 1 teaspoon. We might change that up. Here's the raspberry. And then I'm just gonna put my arm in the way so you can't see what I'm doing. That's how I roll. Keep everybody guessing. I have so many things to show you from comments. I'm just so excited. I think I could be more liberal. I do love these little shaky containers. Okay. 1 teaspoon each. Now we're gonna, oh, do you remember the last time to set the powder so it wouldn't move so much? I'm going to spray it lightly to set it. So as I pour the hot water, there's not as much movement. That's the goal, right? So we're just setting it. Set it and forget it. So there's our set spray. We're going to zhuzh it. Just to give it an extra oomph, because there is soda ash in the shirt. Take my mask off. There's soda ash in the shirt. But as you saturate it with the hot water, you're pushing that soda ash through the shirt. So that's why we're giving it a little bit extra with the soda ash sprinkle. And then we're going to try soda ash water. But I got to go get a new spray bottle. This is dedicated to water only. So now, let's put the kettle on. Okay. We're back with the water. I really like the spray. And who was that said that about spraying? I will put their comment, their YouTube tag there as a big thank you. We've done that before. I'm only going to do one side to be consistent. Dadgummit, do you see this? Oh, what size is this shirt? I can't keep all these shirts. I got to sell some. Oh, look at this mix of these two. Gorgeous. This here, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, so we're going to wait till this cools. But to be fair, I got to wait at least 24 hours or so for the liquid dye. So I'm going to rinse them both out about the same time. So we're just going to walk away, and I'll see you in about 24 hours. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, Ostmas Gustas, look, look. Oh, yes. Let's look, let's look. Up close and personal. Okay. Look, this is the hot water irrigation. Look at this raspberry. Now, put your glasses on, Tish. Look at this raspberry. Look at her strut from this beautiful, deep, and then walking it on out into this gorgeous, super light, like here. Oh, look at there. And then that blue violet. That blue violet can come to dinner at my house any day without an invitation. Just show up, baby. Just show up. I love this. I mean, these two together in a hot water irrigation are just stunning. But wait, there's more. And here is the liquid dye. Oh, it's heavy. Like, the raspberry 100% took over this blue violet. I mean, this raspberry. Oh, she heavy. She come on strong, and she left that blue violet behind. That blue violet's got those flashes of the turquoise in it, right? Because they're a turquoise base. Let's get close. But look, ooh, see where that turquoise broke out here? Are we focusing? I have the hardest time. So that turquoise broke out here. But look at this spiral. Like the lighting for this camera 100% is doing this shirt justice, because it's not this precise in the light that I'm in. Outside in the sun, it's going to be gorgeous. Look at those together in a liquid. That is stunning. I love this breakout in the liquid. So look what we did today. Which one is your favorite? Do you like the combination in the hot water irrigation? Or do you like the combination in the liquid dye of these two colors of raspberry and blue violet? If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put it in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. My channel is loaded with content. Y'all know this. And more of these color combinations coming up that are requested. I've got more infomercials. Sunday. I got some ideas to give you, just information about Dharma, and I've had a lot of questions about the dyes. I'm gonna do that for you. Me and Big Daddy are going on vacation. Gonna do that. So much coming up. And remember, be peaceful and be kind. It's important. Try something new today. Who knows? Maybe you like it. And I'll talk to you soon. My indigestion is bad. Alright, so automatic focus on this time.